Hey y'all, it's me. Now, the next song I'm gonna be reacting to from the 80s is Peter Gabriel's Sledgehammer. I haven't heard of the song that I know of, but I do know that Peter Gabriel, he is a good singer. I love his music. Actually, I love all the 80s music, but his voice is phenomenal to me. So, like, comment, and subscribe, please. And y'all, let's do it.
You could have a speed train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an airplane flying if you bring your blue sky back. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. You could have a big dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a thunder car bumping. This amusement never ends. I wanna be the sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Let me be a sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. Show me around your fruit cage, 'cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruit cage, where that fruit is as sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? You better call the sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. I'm your sledgehammer. Let there be no doubt about it. The sledge, the sledge, sledgehammer.
Alright, I had to put it on pause. So far, this music video is definitely very cool, and the way they did it, the way they just put him the center of everything, and how they just to be in that mindset of that creative thinking is genius. Alright, y'all, let's get back to it.
Shed my skin. This is the new
Wow. I loved it. Very cool. I especially liked how the story went, the lyrics went right. Like I said, the creative mind that went into this music video. Wow. Alright, next up, y'all, is Genesis. Now that's a good band right there. But y'all, thanks for listening in, and don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later. Bye.